What up, everybody? How y'all doing, man? Not where I want to be. I recently got into I've been looking at repairing my credit, trying to get my credit together. So I go and log into the Credit Karma app, and I try to get in, but I was locked out. It was this little ordeal. I got in touch with customer service. I had to send them pictures of my ID, and I finally got in. I verified my account, and I got in. So I go in. I know my credit is bad. I'm expecting low 500s, maybe 535, something like that. I'm expecting that. But I go in, and my credit score is like 471. Horrible. It's something I've been putting off for the last few years. I had my credit up to like 600 at one point. Then a series of horrible decisions have me where I am right now. Now, at that point in my life, I was working jobs I didn't like. I did not enjoy the lifestyle that I was living. The money that I was making, I was spending foolishly trying to get other people to think that I was enjoying the lifestyle that I was living, and I really wasn't. And then came the barbering thing. So I've been cutting hair. I've been barbering over the last 3 years. Professionally, over the last 3 years, or 2 years, because I went to school for a year. Then I went to school for a year. For a year, I cut wild, rogue, like just doing all kind of stuff, working in places with no license. That was crazy. And then a year ago, I passed the test, and I am now doing my year-long apprenticeship, which is up in January, where I'll be a full-fledged, licensed, registered barber in South Carolina. There it is. I'm a barber. I absolutely love this career path. I love cutting hair. I love learning. I love everything about barbering, man, from the sound of the hair being cut to people coming in, talking, and just everything. I love everything about barbering. So now that has affected me in everywhere in my life, every place of my life. I was able to quit the job that I had at night because it was interfering with barbering. I started to make more money in the barbershop than I would had I kept both of those jobs. I had to tell people, no, I can't get you because I got to go to this night job. So God worked it out to where I only have one job right now, and it's barbering, and it doesn't feel like a job because I love doing it. I also do photography on the side, and I have a product that I launched earlier this year for waves, the pomade and moisturizer product. So I have these things going on, and my credit is horrible. So now that a whole new world of ideas and information has opened up to me, the decisions I made in the past have my credit so jacked up that I can't even if I get the capital, I can't bust moves that I want to bust. I can't get my family out of this small trailer into a home that we want. And I'm being 100% transparent because this is a journey, and to me, this is accountability for me. Because if I ain't talking to nobody, I'm talking to myself right now. And I have goals and aspirations for myself and for my family. I want my kids to not worry about if the lights are going to be on or if this is going to be happening, if we're going to eat. I want them to be free to dream, okay? And that's what financial freedom will create for me and create for them and create for their children. That's what I want to get started on. So I went up on my prices October 1st. You could pretty much come to me and get anything, because I was happy to do it because I love cutting hair. You can pretty much get anything from me. You could come sit down with me and you can get a fade with razor enhancements, dye enhancements, a shampoo, and give me $20. That's what it was. $20 were good, right? But I recently went up on my prices and I charged $25. So pretty much you can come to me and get whatever you need, and it's gonna be about $25 to $30, okay? And as my clientele is growing, as a buzz is starting to generate, because I work with 3 other really great barbers in the best barbershop in our region, just me getting the crumbs that fall from the table from the like the super dope talented barbers I work with is enough for me to really get my foot in the door and do my thing. So I went up from 20 to 25 for my base stuff. All my base stuff, you're not gonna get in the chair with me. And 25, that's what I'm charging. 25. That's what I feel like I'm worth. Start off at 25. Shake my hand, hey, how you doing? Give me $25. Then tell me what you want, and then we'll go up from there. So when going up on my prices, what I did was I said, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pay myself. I've increased my prices, this what, 25%? Is that from 20 to 25, 25%? And I'm gonna pay myself, man. I'm gonna do what I can to invest in myself, get myself out of debt. I got this $35,000 in student loan debt with no degree. I got this $7,000 credit card debt with really nothing to show from that. I got $18K in debt from a card that is still in good standing. We got that, and that's everything I have. That's what I have. So I said every haircut, if they pay me 25, when they pay me 25, I'm gonna take 5, I'm gonna put it to the side. I'm gonna save every $5 bill that I get. And since October 1st, I have this many 5s. This is $1,000 in $5 bills. And I guarantee you, bro, you know, I'm so cheap and frugal that I did not even miss over the last 2 months me being able to save this much money. $1,000. I didn't even miss it, bro. I didn't even miss it because I just went up on my prices. I had already been accustomed to living off of the $20 haircuts. So now that they're 25 and I've expanded my services, you know, I'm able to actually save some money. So I'm taking this right here, this first $1,000, and I'm putting it in the bank. Of course, I'm not gonna keep it at my home so somebody can of course I'm not gonna keep it at the house. I'm not gonna keep it at the house. I'll be saving money, $5 at a time. I'm all 5s. So this is the $5 challenge, man. Financial freedom is what I'm after, and I'm gonna do it $5 at a time. So let's go to the bank, drop this off.